Introducing Universal Modular Softphone for Genesys and Cisco. This Softphone application is broken down into fully functional modules that can be added to and work in parallel with any existing softphone or hardphone. Even if you have your softphone fully set up and operational, the individual modules demonstrated in this video will definitely add value to your organization. The following are the 6 softphone modules. Video conferencing for agents, supervisors, and customers. Daily aggregated statistics displayed for each agent on their desktops in real time with powerful graphics. Full voice interaction for existing softphone, hardphone, or as a standalone application. Email interaction integrated with Outlook or any other email service. Total chat suite with full routing integration, advanced reporting, and chat tools. And finally, full integration with any web-based or Windows-based CRM solution. Let's briefly review the architecture by first looking at a typical Genesys interactive workspace configuration. An agent desktop must establish a separate socket connection to 7 Genesys servers. As we add agent workstations, each of them must establish an individual socket connection to the servers. So scaling becomes quite complex. Modular Softphone has a simplified N-tier architecture. First, we do not require connection to 3 of the 7 servers due to our unique method of integrating with the routing environment. Second, the connection to the Genesys environment is done through the Softphone service. All agent desktops connect to the Softphone service, which makes the architecture much simpler, as it requires only one socket connection to the T server or interaction and chat servers. We can easily scale up to 5,000 desktops with just one socket connection. Moreover, all 5,000 agent desktops can be configured on the fly by pushing data from the Softphone service. The Softphone service is agnostic to the routing environment and works equally with Genesys or Cisco or any PBX. In fact, it can work in parallel with all of these routing environments. Let's review the modules starting with video conferencing. The agent logs in and receives an incoming call from a customer and then picks up line 1. Note that the Softphone controls appear at the top of the desktop, leaving the entire screen for other applications such as chat, email, or CRM. The supervisor can launch a video session and watch the agent while he or she handles the call. This can be done even without agent knowing that he or she is being watched. The supervisor can also initiate a chat session with the agent and provide any assistance if needed. The video session can be recorded and saved as a video file to be reviewed later. Let's review the agent statistics module. In this example, our Softphone application is used as a browser plugin, and all controls are provided in the browser toolbar. The statistics window is shown on the agent desktop and displays real-time call data for each agent. This is a standalone module that can work with any softphone or Genesys interaction workspace or even a hardphone depending on a specific call center. The real-time feed is not dependent on Genesys stat server. The data is fully customizable based on the needs of your call center. The top part shows data with the current time, total time accumulated in one day, and the number of events. The bottom part shows a graphical representation of key statistics. The module shows 3 types of data: voice, email, and chat. All of the statistics, including the average handle time, is calculated independently for calls, chats, and emails. The CRM module can easily integrate with any Windows or web-based CRM application on the agent desktop level. It can also integrate with any CRM solution on the server level. The unique interaction with the routing environment allows our CRM module to pass queries or execute macros that conduct complete and fully automated search of all of your CRM applications. In result, all agents receive 100% complete customer data. Complete customer data and full automation will significantly reduce call handling time and can significantly improve the bottom line of your call center. Just like any other Softphone module, the CRM module is a standalone application that easily integrates with any softphone or hardphone. Let's look at the voice module. It has all Softphone voice functionality, and we will review a few basic features. An agent logs in and selects Ready. Let's open the individual statistics window, which displays all call data for the entire day for this agent only. Right now we see login time and idle time calculating. The supervisor can also see the real-time statistics for this agent remotely from any web browser. Let's use this browser window to see what the supervisor can see in real time. Here's the supervisor's view, where we can select this particular agent. And here is the agent's view of the statistics module. We will use our own Softphone controls to simulate calls. We will now send a call from a simulator. The agent sees line 1 light up. At the same time, the supervisor sees the event ringing time. The agent picks up the call. The agent statistics window immediately shows the inbound call. At the same time, the supervisor also sees that same call in his or her browser. Then the agent places customer on hold. Now we see the hold time in both interfaces for the supervisor and the agent. Now the agent retrieves the call from hold, and we see the inbound time going up again. Let's end this call. The agent goes on after call work. Now note that the average handle time and the occupancy time are still being calculated until the agent selects Ready again and is ready for the next call. Let's review the email module. In this example, our Softphone controls are placed on the top of the desktop for convenience. Let's also open the supervisor's browser page to have both views at the same time, the agent view and the supervisor view. We will use the simulator to generate an incoming email. Both the agent and the supervisor see the invite at the same time. Let's say the agent rejects the email. We can see the rejected time running in both applications. Now let's say that the agent ignores the email notification. In this scenario, after 20 seconds, that we will fast forward here, the email will be automatically revoked and the routing system will put it back in queue to search for another agent. In the next example, another email comes in and the agent accepts it. Our email module is integrated with Outlook and can also be integrated with any other email service. The agent types the response and sends the email out. Note again that the average handle time and the occupancy time are still being calculated until the agent becomes ready to receive another email. The supervisor has full access to all of the agent's email activity through monitoring. Using the supervisor's browser window, we can see all of the rejected, revoked, and sent emails that the agent just processed. The emails in the supervisor's view can also be shown sorted by customer. Let's review the chat module for Softphone. The Softphone controls are at the top, but it could be any Softphone of your choice. Again, we will show the agent statistic window with call, chat, and email activity of the agent for the entire day. The supervisor real-time view is shown here in the browser window for comparison only. A chat arrives through the simulator. The agent rejects it, and we can see these events reflected in the agent view and the supervisor view. Another chat arrives. The agent does not respond to the chat, and the system revokes it based on your routing strategy and puts it back into the queue. The supervisor can actually monitor all chats that are coming in real time. To demonstrate, let's switch to the monitor view in the browser window that is used by the supervisor and simulate another chat. The chat comes in and the agent accepts it and provides assistance to the customer. Note that the supervisor can see all chats and all texts coming in and out for each and every customer. Again, the chats can be sorted by individual customers in this view. Let's turn to statistics. It's important to note that average handle time is calculated independently for calls, emails, and chats. We will demonstrate it on 3 chats that come in at the same time. The first chat comes in at 10:05, the second chat at 10:07, and the third chat at 10:09. The chats last for 5 minutes, 7 minutes, and 3 minutes. Then the agent goes into not ready mode to finish work on these chats. The total linear time for chats is 9 minutes. If needed, we can also report the total combined time of 15 minutes for all 3 chats. Most often, we need the linear time of 9 minutes plus the 3 minutes of not ready time, which makes the total of 12 minutes. Since the chats overlap, the true average handle time for this example is 4 minutes, calculated as 12 divided by 3 chats. The Softphone application uses the latest Microsoft technology and does not require any local installation on agent desktops. It is launched automatically with agent's credentials. It can also be used as a browser plugin. You may use all of the Softphone features remotely from any computer or iPad. This Softphone can work as a full standalone Softphone application, or it can be broken down into modules and used in parallel with any existing Softphone or hardphone that is currently used in any call center. And finally, the simplified architecture allows us to install and fully configure the Softphone within just 2 weeks.